remember when I came from the bottom, I wanted to shine. I remember when they said that I couldn't, I told them they lied. I remember I would always be thinking ahead of my time. Gave it my everything, all I could do was go put in the grind. Now that I made it, I'ma keep winning, I'm never too jaded. Been through it all and I've been underrated. I put in the work and I'm never complaining. Who gon' stop me now? Who gon' stop me now? They can't knock me off my grind. When I step up to the line, it's winning time. It's winning time. It's winning time. It's winning time. I've been waiting for this moment. I've been grinding all my life. Everything I touch is golden. All I really wanna know is who gon' stop me now? Who gon' stop me now? They can't knock me off my grind. When I step up to the line, it's win. I level up, mission to complete. When my time is up, I know I'll leave.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's up to everybody? Hope everybody's good. It has been a interesting yesterday till today. March has been a pretty solid month for me. Yesterday I did in red, so I have 2 red days on the month. All in all, though, very green on the month. Yesterday didn't really lose too much. I just got hit on 2 different plays back to back. Always sucks, but luckily for me, I was sized down, right? So as we get going with this, we're going to be live in a couple places. We're going to be live here on Twitter. What's up, Twitter? It's not Twitter anymore. I got to get in the habit of calling it X. So what's up, X? It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird for me because my initial is X, so people be calling me X. So it's kind of like, am I talking to myself or what are we doing? And then on top of that, we're live inside of Discord and we're live on YouTube. So we're live in a few different places here, okay?
What's up, YouTube?
What's up? So everybody in the Discord, YouTube, and everywhere, if you hear me, hit me in the 888 just to confirm you can see my screen and hear my voice before we get rolling here. 888 across the board. If you guys can hear me in the crowd, mic check. Okay, Twitter, good. Discord, what's up? Y'all can hear me, hit me at 888. If y'all can see my screen. All right, cool. All right, so we're going to go ahead and jump straight into this here. This is the NASDAQ here on the daily. It's been a challenging trade. I'm not going to front to everybody here. It's been a challenging NASDAQ, as you guys can see, with consolidation across the board. Still leaning that for price to go back into these relative equal lows, which, still haven't been hit. This high, this low, this is our last down leg here on the daily. Now, the problem that we're going to encounter is going to be this up move from Trump. This move here, this low, this high, the Trump move, the fake news move, the manipulation move, whatever you like to call it. As long as we can remain inside these 2 points, technically price is bullish until price gets below it. So that's going to just create a lot of chop in the range, as we're starting to see here. So that will affect us here. But I am going to be leaning bullish here, light sizing today. Bullish here, light sizing today. For all of those that trades my alpha framework, we have a perfect LAF. Moving averages are in line. So that means my upside target for today is going to be 540. Going down into a 1-minute chart. We'll use M&Q for the 1-minute execution. We had a setup that we called here pre-market, which was this. Kind of didn't get to the swing low. You still got to retest here. But the goal is for price to deliver into that 540. Okay. Altogether, that's 124 points from where we're looking at. Now, the question will be, at open, will they give us an entry? 540 is definitely on top. It's about 60 points away. So that's pretty much it. That's all I'm really looking for. Once we hit that 540, I'm not really interested in a lot else. So let's see. Do we have a London range, London zones? Let's see what we got. We already took London high. London low is still open. So for me, again, 540 is my upside target. After that, we're going to have to see. Okay. And does anybody have any questions at all? If not, let's get to work, baby. Let's get to work. 540 is the target, people. Yesterday was a shitty day for me. Happens. I'm just going through some news, man. The news is just so hard to follow what's true and what's not, man.
Inside the news feed, Financial Juice just pushed out Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg, Oracle's Larry Ellison to be named to Trump's tech panel. So Trump's putting together a tech panel.
Tech panel, I like it. Hey Vader, you mess with Harry Potter? Vader Man Games. Hey yo, Vader Man Games.
Training them.
Anybody mess with Harry Potter in here? If you mess with Harry Potter in here, hit me with 333. Peep this. This is the Sea Dance. It came back. They released another one. They had banned Sea Dance for a minute. You couldn't use it. Now that thing is open again. That's how you know something's good. AI come out, makes videos. They're like, nah, man, we need to ban this thing. This is a threat to Hollywood. That's how you know.
I thought it was a hybrid that you're talking about, like a sativa or something.
Hybrid.
I thought it was a type of strand.
Oh, the Sea Dance? Nah, that's AI.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You hit this sativa, you're gonna dance in the sea.
Let's go. On the sentiment, I mean, we do believe that it is going to go down, right? Or do we actually want it to go up to go down, or do we want it to just get an entry to go short?
Man, I was looking up as long as we stay above 373, but price gonna do what price gonna do.
Okay, makes sense.
We just waiting, people. I'm just responding to everybody in the DMs right now.
AX,
Yo.
do you buy commodities as well, man? Like, do you buy like physical gold or physical silver, stuff like that, or no?
I have 2 gold bricks. I don't have much more than that though. Physical.
Oh, nice. Okay.
I have some GOD
Actually, you do-
in the portfolio.
No, but like actual physical gold, though.
Yeah, I got 2 of them, man. I got them a while ago. I've had them way before this crisis happened. I got them just to get them.
Very, very, very smart guy.
I've had them for a long
Gold,
time.
gold,
It's cool.
gold will touch 10,000.
It's cool to look at and cool,
Where'd you
cool
buy
to
it?
touch. I got it from pawn shop a long time ago.
Is it real?
Yeah.
Nice, man. You got like
the-
certificate and all
yeah,
that.
Yeah, I was about to say I got paperwork and everything.
Very cool. Hang on to it, man. Gold will touch 10,000 a lot sooner than people think.
I agree, especially with everything that's going on.
Yeah.
Let's look at a
It's,
GLD chart. Let's look at a gold chart.
It dipped. I mean, yesterday was such a beautiful day to actually buy for like I, yeah. For new
Yeah.
gold buyers, I think it's great.
Yeah, we swept these lows. I'll give it a couple of days to see how we react after taking these lows here.
Not to trade it. I'm saying just to. I was speaking just like
Yeah, long term.
just wrap. No, yeah, because I'm actually just like physical gold is the I don't know. It's a rock solid place to keep some cash.
I just like looking at it. It's nice looking. Sorry, it's like my precious.
I like looking at a lot of things.
Me too. Especially larger heart-shaped things.
Yes. Chuck Norris passed away.
Yeah, a couple of days ago actually.
Sucks, man.
See, that's how good at trading I want to be. I want to be so great at trading that when I pass away, people be like, "Yo, he died. That sucks." That's
What?
That's how
Don't
you know.
say shit.
No, I mean we're all gonna die, but like Chuck Norris died. People were like, "Oh my God, the goat is in heaven," right? Most people die. You don't even hear nothing about him. You don't even know nothing about him.
I've never messed with movies, but I know. But from everything which I just see, apparently he must have been a really, really good guy.
But you know his name. You don't even know him, but you
Yeah,
know his
yeah.
name. You know what I'm saying? And that's how you know you were goated.
Yeah, nice. That's very nice. You said.
He was so good at whatever he did that people don't even know who he is. Know he's dead. It's crazy.
That's messed up.
That's
But yeah,
crazy.
it's so true.
Yeah, that's
That
a
is-
compliment. That's the place you want to be in. That's what we should all aspire to be.
Right.
So good at our craft that everybody, people that don't know you, know your name.
Beautifully said. Beautifully said. Man.
What's up to Skrilla Scott? What's up to we got John McWick. When I hear McWick, I think of McChicken. When I was younger, when I was in high school, I used to survive off McChickens, bro. Back in my day, they were like $1. I was always like
Chick-fil-A.
no McDonald's. Back in like
Oh, McDonald's.
2008.
Oh, yeah.
They were still kind of bad back then. They're not what they were today, but they had these McChickens. These are sandwiches for $1. And I used to live off these things, bro. You just sneak out of school to go get one. Put some cheese on it. Bam, killing it. Chicken with cheese.
Good morning, team.
Good morning, bro. But then I started doing some research, and one thing really stood out to me. McDonald's produces about $7 million worth of hamburger sales per day. There's no way, with the facilities they have, they can provide that kind of meat. And that got me to wondering, where the fuck is the meat coming from? So, I started to go down that rabbit hole just for a little bit, found out one thing, and I just completely shut it down. Haven't eaten McDonald's since, or like any fast food, in a long time, bro. I'm talking years. McChicken, yeah, this was it, but they changed the McChicken a lot. What's up, people? People in the chat room saying good morning, good morning. I'm looking up for now. Five. We got about 10 minutes to open, everybody. Anybody got any questions, anything you want me to cover?
How come you have 540 as Alpha C?
Go to, you look at the screen with a 5-minute chart. So the 215 candle down, that's the zone. The Alpha B becomes the 3:55 a.m. candle at 24,402, right? So when price sweeps at 8:20 this morning, right? When we sweep that Alpha B, 8:20 this morning, the highest point after the sweep, which would be the 540, becomes the Alpha C. So as long as price can, at least in my opinion, stay above 373, we got a possibility of a bounce up. If we get below 373, it's not say it's validated, but I feel like we lost the strength.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
You feel me? Appreciate you. Good questions.
$4.30 was the DEQ, by the way. So right now we're at $4.30 is middle of the range, and yeah, your Alpha C is the day high. We opened at 420 actually too, by the way.
I like the number.
I got 431.
420 is my favorite series of numbers.
And the day low was the 321, which is the lower section that X has on the screen.
What we doing for 420, man? We gotta do something epic for 420.
We get.
We all spark up and get on this.
We still have time.
Yeah, we all gotta spark up and trade.
At the same
Right.
time,
Yeah, come one day, I'll be on my patio all back.
That's when we open the offices in Florida.
They're not legal down there yet. So I'm serious about I'm about to, pursue my idea of using Seedance to create a movie. Somebody remind me when I get off Twitter to talk about my Seedance movie. Seedance is this AI That's gonna put Hollywood out of business. But hey, Skrilla,
Did I see something? Sora's like they're closing down Sora, right?
I haven't seen that yet, but they can't compete with C-Dance. We have entered a whole different level. C-Dance is Chinese.
Yeah, and then they're blocking the routers now too, like TP-Link and stuff. The FCC said they're not going to let you buy those anymore.
Yeah, guys.
That and DJI drones now. The drones are banned. The routers are getting banned. It's crazy.
Let me see what I can find. You know, we got a couple minutes before open. Like, peep this. A Skrilla a long time ago was telling you about an AI-powered idea. Imagine if I could get this AI behind it.
Oh yeah. Let me see.
That's one version. I gotta find a good video. Oh, watch this one now. Watch the second one. Don't watch that first. That one's like Transformers. Look at what they did to Harry Potter. They made him and Dumbledore jacked. Like they yoked.
Yeah, no, you posted that earlier.
Yeah, I like the Transformer one. The Transformer one's badass. Yeah.
That's what we were saying. You know, Hollywood's cooked. So remind me, guys. The Harry Potter jacked one is funny, and they should have did that from the rip. But Harry Potter should have been this big ass motherfucker with a wand, with a weighted wand. Matter of fact, his wand is a barbell.
Wow. Expecto gains.
Yeah. His spells are twice as powerful. Yeah, I had to read Harry Potter in high school.
He's supposed to be a really nice guy.
I'm trying to get yoked like this dude.
Person is known to have.
Is he nice enough to send me $1 billion? Would it be?
I don't even think he has $1 billion.
Shit, not many people do. Billion with a B.
Uh, 3 minutes still open. 3 minutes still open.
What's up, X?
What's up?
Got competing Alpha C's.
I was just focusing on the one up top.
Yeah, I'm focused on one as well, but there's, because technically there is
I didn't even look down, to be honest with you.
because there's an old 1 hour bearish leg that was never invalidated that technically price is coming out of, but I'm just a little conflicted. But if we sweep, sweep the
What do you have
845
your
low,
zone at for the bearish one? For the bearish one.
collection of candles, bottom of the 745 candle on the 5 minute to the top of the 805 candle on the 5.
I see there's a pause at 825. Good catch.
Yep.
That does shit things up a bit. Moving average is bearish. Man,
I'm saying it. So I'm like, I got clap, and also I got clap yesterday. So
Yeah, I had to take a
Well,
clap nap too. Well, I didn't get
well,
clap
for-
bad for like in terms of size, but like I did go
No.
0 for 2. You know.
yeah, same for me.
Yeah, I got red too, so we're on the same boat.
Yeah.
I mean, there's nothing I would have done different though. That's why, like, I'm cool with it. Sucked. Like, I was mad, but I'm like, there's nothing I can do. It's like it's unavoidable, man. I was like, it's not like I wouldn't have taken those. If I would not have taken those trades and they would have ran, I would have been like, those were textbook setups.
Yeah, what up? Yeah. Nah, I got smacked too, man. I was on a nice little win streak. They was like, nah, sit your ass down, homie. Sit down. Everybody remind me, all right, to talk about my movie idea when we get off Twitter. And I think that we all should get together and try to help produce it with AI.
No doubt.
Market's about to open.
Are we going higher or lower?
Find out.
When our chart is
open.
kind of choppy.
Whoa.
I was looking higher. Technically, this is a breaker here. It did wick the low. Did it? Yeah, it did wick the low. That's a breaker. This would be a 24-point stop. We got a 1 hour PD rate too. Looking long. See what they're gonna do. Gonna watch it. Gonna watch and see what we do. That's what I wanna see. All right, here's the new candle. Are they gonna test me? No, they're not gonna get me in. Ah, I need a retest of the breaker. I need a retest of the breaker. Challenging market, man. Challenging market we in. We gotta go get at least 485. So back on the breaker, but we wicking. I'm not liking it. I'm gonna go for it. So I went for the breaker. There's the Alpha C higher.
Are you long?
I am long. You want me to sign in my Tradeovate? Come on. I'm trying to sign into my Tradeovate in a different area. These are my targets on screen. Come on, baby. Got a breaker. This is a uni. This is a unicorn, baby. Give us the unicorn. Behave. Come on. They
That is
eating
not
me.
behaving.
It's not behaving. I am sized down. Come on. Got back in the IFEG part of it. It was clean. Why are they playing around like this? Come on. Yo. Only here in the NASDAQ. They say, remember how Dave Chappelle was like, cocaine's a hell of a drug. NASDAQ's a hell of a asset. I gotta play my song. Remember, the lyrics are, all you gotta do is hold on. Hold on. Uh-huh. Target. Off by my target by a point. Really? Come on, give me my delivery. Give me my delivery. Give me my delivery. It's not delivery, it's DiZorno. All you gotta do is hold on. Not liking the wick. Got 12 seconds left in the candle. We'll have to let the baby close. By mistake, I muted my mic, but target one was hit. Target one. Oh, yeah. Just having fun with it, people. Can we get to a target two, which is let me scale out a little bit here. Oh, I got 3 accounts. It's kind of overwhelming. I got 3 different places I'm scaling out right now. Bright man. Bright man. Right, man.
Dude, no, it's gone. I didn't copy trade it X because the low of the break, the moving averages were against us, and the low of the breaker wasn't inside of the 1 hour PD array. So just with my metrics, I couldn't copy trade it. But I took it with my 150 kPa, and it's paying. It's a great trade, man.
I scaled out of this prop that you guys see in front of me because I got an intraday trailing drawdown. So I just took profit there. I was close to my Alpha C target. I'm still long 10 NQ on my big account. I was long 20, so I just made a great jump back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Stops at break even. Man, that's what I'm talking about. We back, baby. Hope my boy Skrilla got into it. This is going to be a short stream for Twitter today, man.
Yeah, bam, I got a piece of that. That was nice.
No, but you see what I'm saying though? Like I didn't want to copy trade because when we got into that, the moving averages were against us and we weren't delivering from a 1 hour. So I was just
So for me, all right. So entry 932 above the 21 off the 1 hour. The delivery rule is it has to be coming from a PD array. So I did use and consider the 3 a.m. as the PD array it's delivered from, because the previous candle wicked out of it. So if it's going to continue, it's going to continue somewhere. And
okay. That's it. Okay, because all right, I guess I've never really considered that because for me, I use it like on the entry
at the
time
time of the entry, is it in a PD array? That's what you look at.
coming out.
Yeah.
Like for a breaker or an IFEG, is the low or the invalidation point of the breaker, the IFEG, inside of a 1 hour PD array? That's kind of the rule I've been using, X.
Yeah, and that you could do that. But me personally, as long as I guess I got to put down actual pen on paper, an actual rule. But my assumption has been as long as it's recently delivering from a PD array, like
Okay.
internal to external. Like if this was my internal, right, I would assume that price would bounce from there and go for this wick here on the 1 hour chart. What's this wick right here? Tuesday 4 p.m.
Okay.
From a 1 hour perspective.
Yeah, again, that was my only hesitation because actually, when we were in a little bit of drawdown, like we were very close to having price with a alpha C short, moving averages in the direction of short, and delivering from a 1 hour bearish gap, and I was about to flip up bias and do a max position copy trading short because of that, but yeah.
Oh my.
But we never inverted the gap or flipped structure back short. So
What a comeback, boy. Let's go. Was red yesterday. Nice and bright green today, man.
You know what the bitches are these props is you can't be terribly bright green, especially on a 50, because we have consistency to deal with.
Yep.
So I'm like sitting here, I'm like, damn, I mean, it's a good day, it's like up a grand, but like that's as much as you can do. 1K, 1200 to be in your 30%.
You might even get to a place where you're gonna have to lose money. So green, you got to figure out how to lose it.
All I know is like Money Magnet says, all I do is attract. I have a hard time losing it.
Hell yeah.
I got hit yesterday, so I was only in one new PA today, being more conservative. I wish I was in two.
And we're starting to drop here.
I got my stop loss for my runners on break even. I'll take another 5 off here, and I'll put my stop at break even.
We're seriously dropping.
Got my stop at break even.
Philly.
Philly.
Taco Taka is on Uber Eats.
My bad, I'm trying to play some stuff in the background. I got my break even tagged, guys. My break even was tagged.
Good trade, man.
All right, let's see what we do here, man.
Dropping it more.
Let's see if we get to that 30 level, which is the DEQ, and then that's kind of a good target in the middle.
I want to see if we get through this breaker, but I'll be real with you. I'm pretty much done.
Yes, it's selling too, X.
Hey, Magna, you ever been to Bangkok?
I went to Koh Samui, Pattaya. I went to Patpong, but I honestly I was horrified, so I actually just left. I was very scared. Not because it was unsafe. It was just like it was way too much visual disturbance.
Wow. Thailand.
But it's beautiful, dude. I got my tour card
It's
back
safe there,
actually
right?
on the Asian tour in Hawin. Yeah. It's a beautiful place.
My brother.
Dude, the people are like, all you have to just tell them. All you have to do is say "Sarandika, Kapin Kap," and you're solid. You're set.
What's that mean?
Hi, how are you? And I'm well, thank you.
Oh, nice.
because they always like greet you with. So and you know like so people always think like namaste when people say like namaste like Indians. So it's the same thing like in Thailand. So when they actually like cross their hands and they actually like bow down, they're actually blessing your soul, right? So like namaste is like the same thing, which is I bless your soul, that you're very very pure. So it's our form of like a greeting. It's the same thing in Thai.
Mm-hmm.
I'm Indian, by the way.
Okay.
It's a very pretty place, and they do allow it. It's legalized, so I would definitely go there. I've not tried it yet, but I've heard it's actually really, really good. I'm so sorry, I did not take the long. I've just taken the short. I missed the long, but I was favoring the short just because of my current situation and where I am. So I want them to sell the shit out of this market. I'm sorry, I'm just being honest.
Sell it. Hey, whatever. We all can make money, man. Beautiful thing in the market, right? And not to mention in this market, we'll be 1,000 points up, and then 10 minutes later, we'll be about 1,000 points down. So, welcome to the new Nazi. And my problem is this 1 hour leg here. You guys see this 1 hour leg up? Price is just inside of it. We're consolidating. Just dangerous conditions, guys. Very, very dangerous. Very dangerous conditions.
We just tagged back into the 1 hour bullish leg. So for me, like shorts are still completely off the table. Like one of the rules I'll have is I'll never trade against a bullish LAF with the 1 hour if the moving average is, or we're delivering. Yeah.
Thank you for that. Sorry, guys. I took the short from when you guys actually exit the long, so I'm holding my short.
That was a good trade, Magnet.
Thanks. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that, man.
What was your ignition to go short?
Of what's going on actually in the entire GCC and the entire Gulf, and I know that this guy is actually lying every single time he opens his mouth.
I thought everything was good.
Are you joking? Come on. Everything is good in Dubai. No, we're fine. But at the same time, like he's saying that negotiations, he's lying. There's no negotiations. Iran actually admitted to saying that he's talking to himself. He's negotiating with himself.
Yeah. No, I agree.
We say like that. Picture him in a room with a mirror.
Ain't gonna get over anytime soon, man. Like it's affected a lot of industry. And, you know?
You are totally correct in that respect. I just don't like price action.
I'm a perma bear. There's no reason
So
why
you guys are going to
gold.
believe a terrorist state. I don't know about that either.
What's that?
Come on. You're going to believe a terrorist state.
Or believe a politician.
You're going to believe Iran is telling the truth over the United States.
I definitely don't
president.
believe.
Let's
Dude,
just say they both lie, but to believe one over the other is a little crazy.
I have a U.S. passport, so for me, it's more of like I hope the fact that he's not lying, but I still get a notification on my phone. Anyone's in Dubai that please be aware something's happening in the area. So I don't know. This thing is going to take a lot longer than people think, man. You guys are in the States. You don't know.
Yeah. No,
like over here,
we're in a whole different part of the world.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is that, you know, I only thing I know is that this thing which is happening in this side of the world, it's going to take some time for it to be okay. Luckily, fortunately, the government is really, really good. We're safe. Nothing's happened. We're all good. But it's going to take some time, man. The Strait of Hormuz, it's a big thing. I mean, the majority of all the oil and gas which comes through that strait and all the trading which happens, it affects everyone in the world, not just this side of the world. So when you guys see mortgage rates getting higher and everything getting higher and oil spiking, it's just it's not a coincidence. It's what's supposed to happen when you actually do something in this side of the world, which you're relying pretty much on. The U.S. may not rely completely on oil and gas, but it still relies on the trade which actually happens here. Sorry, my bad.
I'm with you. I agree with you on all of those points, but I just not saying that I agree that that I'm going to believe what Iran says in a statement either. You know what I mean? Like,
how about that?
Let's pretend like we don't believe either one. That's fine. But it could be a tactic too, right? Like it could be a very good tactic.
So you've been in Dubai, right? So I've never seen. So during COVID, like Dubai is very, very resilient because we're also like a very small population and it's very, very shielded, right? So our defense system is amazing because it is a small country, man. It's not that big. But at the same time, when you start seeing like these certain things happening, which is hospitality, which is relying on tourism, it's slowing down, right? So a lot of people in hospitality, they are not getting laid off, but they're just, and so you slowly start seeing that there's a little trickle in the market in which it's just strange. It's just weird. I live in Dubai Mall, not in the mall, but like I'm connected, like my apartment is connected to Dubai Mall. And every single time I'm there, normally you see it packed. Now it's what's going on? Like, where the fuck is everyone?
Is the fountains like quiet lately?
The fountain is open, right? But like at the same time,
Yeah,
the
they're
hotels,
open all the time, right? But is it
same
quiet?
hotel that you want, the same hotel that you wanted to book for $200 or $300 a night is $100 a night. That's that. So but hospitality is going to take some time. Any industry is going to take some time, man. I have friends of mine who owns they're very, very big into gold and diamonds, and for them they have retail shops, so retail is going to take some time. I've never heard Patek Philippe offer a discount on a watch. Have you ever heard that, Scott?
Yeah,
have you ever heard
no, that's unique. Yeah, for
giving a
sure.
discount?
But you know
on a
what,
watch?
too, Karan? I think didn't a lot of the time they did the special, didn't they do special, and I could be wrong on this, but I feel like there was special like circumstances where they let all the Russians and Ukrainians there for a little extended time under the war, like some kind of war thing. And I think their time is up too, right? So you're seeing a lot of that stuff dissipate too, no?
The Iranians. So I had an apartment in Burj Khalifa for like 6 years, right? And so when I bought it at a distressed price. For me, it was a distressed price because it was a huge one-bedroom apartment, 2.1 million dirhams. Let's just say whatever it is in like dollars, right? But when I sold it for 3.1, and the 60% of the people who actually owned in Burj Khalifa are Iranians. Guess what? They're blacklisted from Dubai Land Department, which means they cannot transact any property, they cannot rent any property, they cannot sell any property. They have pretty much frozen their entire assets. Iranians, Indians, Asians have still made up this side of the world, especially when it comes to Dubai, right? The Europeans came much more later, but the real like the OGs were predominantly like the Indians and the Iranians who just came here and said, it's an opportunity, it's tax free, and so it's I don't know, man. It's just it's different. It's very, very different right now.
Y'all can hear me? Mic check. Okay, y'all can
Dad's
hear me.
project's
Mic check,
doing
mic check.
okay.
So let's get an open hangout early. I got some funny ideas I want to talk about. I'm done executing.
I'm
so
sorry, my bad.
no,
Yeah,
you
I didn't mean
good.
to
No, we won't
throw you
keep
back.
the conversation going like this. But meantime, we're gonna let
I
Twitter
get
go.
emotional. I get like
Wait, wait.
emotional. I get like a
Hold
when
on
I
one
speak to
second.
you guys. So
Twitter. It's been good to see you guys. We'll see you guys on the flip one. Win for win on the day makes up for the loss plus more yesterday. So I'll see you guys.